Before the video begins, I forgot to say, I hit 1,000 videos. I plan on doing a 1,000 video, and then I missed it. So I was going to do the very next one, 1001, but I haven't finished what I planned to do, and I got some stuff. So there's going to be a 1,000 plus video extravaganza that I'm going to do. So stay tuned for that in the future. Maybe you'll get some special deals. So make sure you stay subscribed, and more on that in the future. Hey, Sean here from SpeedQiYi.com. I got a package in the mail, and it has been opened for inspection. So let's see what was so suspicious. Yes, this is all from QiYi. Oh, we've got a ton of these. Let me move my mouse out of the way. Ton of these sliding puzzles, which is great because I'm gonna need little things for people to use while they wait for lessons. Wow. Okay, there's a lot of these, and we've got 2 of each, so I might have to give some away. This is more than I need. What it looks, let me check this out too, because if this is modeled after the ones they already made, then yeah, these are going to move great. So let's just scramble this up. I don't really have any method for solving these. I would like to get into this more though. These seem fun to do. I remember one thing I realized when I was speed solving it is to move 2. So don't do, unless you want to move 1, move 2. So let's see here. I guess the first thing I'd want to do is just to try to get 1 up there.
But maybe I should have also tried to get 2 with it as well. What if I did that? Although that kind of gets me stuck right there. Could just do 4 and 5. That's an awful way of doing that. I need to get 3 there. But how do I get 2 then back here? Wow, this is going to be easier when I'm stuck. I need to get that there. How do I do that? Wait, this should not be this complicated, is it? Oh, I did it. I don't know where I did actually. I wasn't paying attention.
Oh, there we go. I did it. I don't remember how I did that. Okay. Let's put that one away. This one's going to be the same. However, are there 2 puzzles in one? I don't know the history of these types of puzzles and what they looked like before. Okay, there's only 1. Why are there 2 different images, or just 2 different possibilities? Oh, these are probably different colors too. It certainly is. I like that one. So what I was saying is, I don't really know the history of these puzzles and what they were like before QiYi started making this version. Were there always nice magnetic ones like this, or did QiYi kind of set the bar for that? This one I'm interested in. This looks just like the haunted house one. That the idea is you get this one out, I believe. And just see, they have a whole guide on how to do it. And there's, I think, different setups. Yeah, there's different setups you can do. The main idea is you can get this one out. And my guess, I'm not going to be able to do it here, because I'm already stuck there. Oh, okay. So I could do this then, which that does nothing for me. It does absolutely nothing. I think I made things worse for myself. Yeah, I have no idea. I have no idea at all how to do this one. I can't even get it back, apparently. Very nice puzzles. Not normal twisty puzzles, but wonderful things. And I've got... Where are my other ones? Ah! So these are the other ones QiYi has made, and they also have bigger ones. I think they have a 5x5 and a 6x6 one. their Halloween one. Yeah, this is pretty much the same thing as that one, but it's not Halloween themed. It's warrior themed? What would you call that? Or what does it say right here? Is there any English? There is no English. Okay, so yeah, what does it say here? Let me know. But I think that's about it. So thank you, QiYi, for sending these out. Put your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by speedcubeview.com for more news and reviews.